As President Constantino Chiwenga has issued a STEM directive to ZANU-PF officials in Harare province to surrender vehicles they received from controversial businessmen KUTYA, accusing them of undermining party discipline and fueling internal factionalism. Sabina Mashuku kubuda panguva ino Chiwenga chikonfront Tagure over the car scandal on factionalism. And was subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tivina unozere moda nyamchinzi. Sources revealed that Chiwenga, alongside ZANU-PF National Chairperson Opayimchinguri Kashiri and Secretary General Obet Mpofu, summoned the Harare Provincial Executive, led by Goodwoos Masimurembwa, to the party headquarters last Tuesday. The meeting was attended by senior members of the Main Wing, Women's League, Youth League, and Central Committee delegates from Harare. According to insiders, the top leadership lambasted the provincial executive for accepting donations from Tangurei, flouting internal procedures by attempting to co-opt him into the party's central committee. The Harare provincial leadership allegedly fast-tracked Tagure's inclusion into the central committee soon after receiving 18 vehicles from the businessman, a move critics say was designed to buy political loyalty. VP Chiwenga preached about the sacrifices made during the liberation struggle and warned that ZANU-PF is not for sale, said one insider. He told Masimurembwa that no amount of money or vehicles can replace the blood that was shed for Zimbabwe's independence. Chiwenga is also reported to have castigated the execution for sidelining protocol and using party resources for personal gain. The province was ordered to immediately halt the co-option of individuals into the central committee and to reinstate over a dozen youth league members who were suspended for allegedly backing Chiwenga in the oncoming battle to succeed Mnangagwa. This confrontation comes against the backdrop of a deepening power struggle within ZANU-PF, where factions aligned to Mnangagwa and Chiwenga continue to battle for dominance, while Mnangagwa has relied on wealthy business allies like Tagure to consolidate control. Chiwenga, who led the 2017 military coup that brought Mnangagwa to power, is believed to be preparing for a leadership challenge at the next elective congress. Ndo mashuka aripo panguva ino vivi kusano Chiwenga chichallenger ayo vana Tagure nekuva confront apinda comment section medu dzamafunguro enyu motuli pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Musawana subscribe or like chito on the bell icon.